Is this a relish? Is it a sauce? Is it a chutney? Let's make it and then figure it out. So here's everything we need.
So we're looking for a medium-sized dice, about a 1/2 inch. Just need to remove the stems from the peppers. You can leave all the seeds in the membrane. This orange pepper is the same, it's just a little bit more ripe. Here I added 2 extra Thai chilies just for a little extra heat.
Okay, so what we need to do now is we're gonna sweat off the onions and the garlic and the peppers. When those get nice and soft, we'll add in the spices and add the sugar and the vinegar.
Set your pan for medium-high heat and add your onions and garlic. Get a good sizzle on those. Add a bit of salt to draw out the water. And we're just tossing. Then add your peppers. Mix everything together. Now we're going to add the sugar. Later on we'll add the vinegar. Pan's getting all steamed up. Once you get the peppers and onions fairly soft, then you can add in your spices. I'm adding turmeric and paprika, but you could use other spices too, like chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you like. After cooking the spices for about a minute, you can add the vinegar. I don't have a big enough lid, so just take another pan and flip it over. Once that's nice and soft, give it a taste and see where it is. I think it needs a bit more salt. When you can scrape the bottom and it's not all liquidy, then it's pretty much done. We're going to move it to a bowl and chill it.
There's our finished relish. Let's give it a little taste. A little bit of spice, delicious flavor from the onions and garlic. I use turmeric and paprika. You can use any spice you like. That'll go really well on a hot dog or a hamburger or just about anything else grilled. You could also eat it with cheeseboard, have it with lentils, curry, anything. Chocolate cake, maybe, maybe not. So there's how you make spicy relish. Subscribe, leave me a comment below, let me know you subscribed. See you next time.